Page 150. To find the circumference of all of these, you need to multiply the diameter by pi. So the diameter by 3.14. So for example, the car would be 64 centimeters multiplied by 3.14. With the tractor and the bicycle, because this is 40 centimeters, which is the radius, so you need to double this to find the diameter and then multiply it by 3.14 to find the circumference. The wooden mount will be the length by the width. So the car, for example, the width is 64 centimeters. Because it's a square, the length is going to be 64. So 64 multiplied by 64. Same for the wheelbarrow, length by the width. Bicycle, again, be careful because this is the radius. So double it to find the diameter, and then it'll be the length by the width. Be careful with the tractor. Area, you want to find the approximate area of the wheel, which would be 3/4 of this answer. So you take your answer here, divide by 4, multiply by 3 to find the approximate area. So what distance would the car travel in 12 full revolutions? A revolution is a full turn. So I'm giving you the answer here for the car. The circumference is 200.96 centimeters. So you multiply that by 12. When you want to bring it to meters, because there are 100 centimeters in a meter, you divide this answer by 100. Round it to 2 decimal places, that means after the decimal point you'll only have 2 digits. For question 3, get your answer here, the circumference of the tractor, multiply it by 15, divide your answer by 100. And don't forget to put in the meter sign after your answer.